enough!
We demand President Obama and other world leaders to send a strong message to the President Hu Jintao at the G20 summit this week. They should hold the President Hu Jintao and the Communist China accountable for all the repressive and brutal policies in Tibet.
Yeah, nganchu three SF team Tibet tsokpanga yu Chang California Purichu dun sokwache Sani Shunu dene Students for Free Tibet ni Committee 400 ta be a reference of Tibet nganchu tsokpanga di SF team Tibet nganchu ande chare lotakpa sumju thurunda dene kembonya bu jewores
Stop the genocide in Tibet!
Stop the genocide in Tibet!
We're here today on November 2nd, which is an International Global Day of Action for Tibet. Here in San Francisco Team Tibet organizations have come together and organized a protest and march and to show our solidarity with the Tibetans in Tibet, especially the 10 Tibetans this year who have self-immolated.
Senjulu ni puri changme ge moyne nang Tibet di mit changmal ya kejo minda re yo de ani soso ya tungge minda yo de shenye minda yo de jeza soso yo bodi thone niba khar tungge yo bodi dyun dyenje ta ta nae dyze sha sha samge
dari nga to thönal solwe tange to changme ta gyapjo sine mindu konzo nangme so nga jo senso ta dane ani nga jo namju di ten thok di sa chimbo sta re 아니 별 롱바다 별 내리는 것도 문에 제동 유나 미래네 것도 아니 랭게키 그랬습니다.
다들이 내주 자차슈도 가르선 다 변할 간주 치메 가셔다 안 버버주 잠잠다 아니 내주디 지금 그거 자차고 멤버 소리지 즉 변의 인지 시그널 셀프 이몰레이션스 시 할람 랑시점에도 즉 춤으로 표기해 봐서지 최저기 지금 랭귀지에서 네 말했음 모두 변할 단달 로션 버즈다 랑시점에도 딱 한다 그 자된턴다 랑시게 보아리 한 프랑스 칸에 세블러 보아리 별 라왕 거요 시고리 여름쯤 별 패고 시고리 별 최대 라왕 거요 시지 간다 콘조 라왕 기존에 지고하는 것이 최저 지고기 남주 시스템 인스부도 근데 인사 내주디 자타고 탑두고 문에다 소소소 소자에서 빼면서 탑 교부지리 근데 내주디 변할다 탑 내주 강에 침부 여비 땡겨 여비 띵안주 상에 제수 침부 치고 그래서 We
really want the world leaders to pressure China, to pressure Hu Jintao to withdraw troops from Kirti Monastery, to bring an end to the torture and harassment of monks at Kirti Monastery in Ngaba County. And we really want the world leaders to pressure China to abide by its obligations to the International Human Rights Convention.
ringi kebede peminsi bekara kechimbo shibichewo arti ngandu sane sambezo ko jo geje mare dambulin nalia ngandu bebada bebegi jabyo yongdo geta andage mixe ge 변하래 다른 애들이 되게 전부 대토리야 ngandu ge 동심 냠지 토네다 gembi chibyore 대나는 미세들이 dambulin geta 통 냠지 그 통게 부진다단 dambulin geta bomba 상만 전에 능고 유도 담아 대토리야 그런도 ngandu 베드는 토리야 너면 토단다 베기 Tenpa Tolia Jabjodi, that Nangodo Sanantuki, that Nebushuga, 베를린가 전부 제거 요래.
China has a very influential role in the academic institutions around the world. As many of you may have heard, China has been establishing Confucius institutes all around the world with under their Ministry of Education. They've spent millions of dollars, over $500 million, in fact, since 2004 alone. And 75 US universities have these Confucius institutes. And there's no harm in that, except that one of the caveat is that Tibet and other sensitive issues cannot be raised in those institutes. And that's a real fundamental flaw in those kinds of academic institutions in a free country like United States and the rest of the world, where some of these institutions are being held. So I think we are seeing a penetration into our academic system even by the Chinese politics and the government.
Mass protests are being held in Washington, D.C., San Francisco, Vancouver, B.C., and Ottawa, Canada. Similar actions are being organized in India, Europe, and the rest of the world. The Tibetan Youth Congress recognizes the ultimate sacrifices Tibetans in Tibet have made in the recent months. TYC believes that only Tibetan people directly suffering under the Chinese occupation are able to respond to the situation and act so desperately and spontaneously.
So what we're doing here is called an action called Chalking for Tibet. It's a very simple action but very effective at bringing attention and capturing the public's attention. And what we're trying to draw their attention is to the 11 individuals who've committed self-immolation since March of this year.
This is a way to bring the world's attention to the fact that Tibetans in Tibet are so desperate that even monks who, through their Buddhist belief, value life very highly and would never otherwise kill themselves, find themselves having no alternative other than killing themselves.
And we have a message in the middle of the body, their age and why they did what they did. This is all for Free Tibet.
Nine months and 1 month, they burned themselves alive to protest, yet alive to protest against the Chinese atrocities and human rights, and requesting the Chinese to invite His Holiness the Dalai Lama back to his motherland, Tibet.
While I stand in support of Occupy SF, I do not stand in support of the occupation of Tibet by the Chinese government. On the contrary, I stand in solidarity with the Free Tibet movement against repression. And I demand that we have an international diplomatic pressure on the Chinese government to bring back freedom to Tibet and to create conditions that will ease the tensions and the freedom. We will no longer have the burnings that are going on. There have been 11 burnings in Tibet over the past several years, a sign of deep despair, a sign of desperation after 6 years of repression under the Chinese government, and we need an end to that. So I stand in solidarity to that. So make sure that one day, and hopefully soon, the Dalai Lama can return to Tibet.
단당한도 버날리아타 랑루 메세 단체 버던 돌리아 버더타기요데 디 단다펠리아 페미망기 콕베날리아 메시디 바르데요데 다 메시디 출올마 대용구요데.
The reason why I came today is because a lot of Tibetans, young monks, young nuns are giving up their life for a cause that is common to all of us, all Tibetans, and that the least I could do was, take a day off from work and then come and show support to the Tibetans who have given up their life in Tibet, and tell the world leaders that in Tibet the situation is getting worse every day, and we need a lot of support.
나로이나요 나페니 용조레 야키 테직시요 야미 민다부지 틀리나 틀리나 수수고 모니 미치릴이나 프게 라티제니 수수수수그 제투야지 요로와 어디 간나데지는 머리긴 기키네더니 빼야고 요사를 teg인도.
And we stand together. We will stand with you as Burmese brothers and sisters. I myself am Chinese American, but it doesn't matter because being human, we are all connected. So we are here with you in solidarity. Thank you so much for inviting us. Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Burma! Free Burma! Free Burma! Free Burma! Under the Chinese repressive regime, they have been able to allow our military dictatorship to take over Burma. They've been in control for over 60 years and have usurped natural resources from all of the communities, wiping out ethnic villages, and continue to do so to this day under the name and guise of economics. And that's really what we're here for today.
ngazu chona zo de woni shin ngazu mi thungye chu chungore ndi khu jig do ni yimba khonju gi kulu kugam dige ni ngazu jig yimbe kemi gi ti meta kransos merata ti an khonju gi phe ta de thanda khonju gi solo de nyamnu ki thona to zin nyam gi thona rogam to se
G20 stand up for Tibet.
G20 stand up for Tibet.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Free Tibet, free Tibet.
Free Tibet, free Tibet.
We will never give up.
We will never give up.
I think it's really important for Tibetan, especially being a Tibetan myself, and especially for the young generations, coming young generations, to know your roots, where your ancestors and your roots really, where you really come from, where you stand, and also as a human, to know and the injustice that are happening inside Tibet, your own country.
am here today to stand up for Tibet. The winds of change are blowing throughout the world. This spring, this summer, in city after city, in capital after capital, in country after country, we witness the flourishing of democracy and the wiping out of years, decades of political repression throughout many countries around the world. It is time to see that happen in Tibet. On November 15th, the Berkeley City Council will be publicly voting, and I hope it will be a unanimous vote, for the city of Berkeley and the people of Berkeley to stand up for Tibet.
Cha